Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayst prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. 3 John 2.
Welcome to Syrian's Outpost TV. I'm Pauline.
New way, new life. Welcome to Sojourner's Outpost Sanitarium, SOS, teaching how to preserve health and how to avoid disease. I'm Pauline Kervin. Disclaimer. Since God is responsible for the results of obedience to His healthy lifestyle plan, God's plan, the receiver or user of the information in this healthy lifestyle journey presentation must assume responsibility for the use or misuse of the information. Healthy lifestyle journey, 8 Bible secrets to healthy living. Preserve health and avoid disease. Health is freedom from disease, a state of complete physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. World Health Organization, Ministry of Healing, page 127. Disease is an effort of nature to free the system from conditions that result from a violation of the laws of health. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayst prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. 3 John 2. Pure air, sunlight, abstemiousness, rest, exercise, proper diet, the use of water, trust in divine power, these are the true remedies. And this is found in the book Ministry of Healing, page 127. Healthy Lifestyle Journey, 8 Bible Secrets to Healthy Living. What are the 8 Bible secrets to healthy living? God's plan. God's plan are the true remedies. G, godly trust. O, open air. D, daily exercise. S, sunshine. P, proper rest. L, lots of water. A, always temperate. N, nutrition. Godly trust. But of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, thou shalt not eat of it, for in the day that thou eatest thereof, thou shalt surely die. Genesis chapter 2, verse 17. God has provided an antidote for disease in simple plans. Godly trust, wonderful water. There is the biblical account of Naaman, commander of the Syrian army, who was a leper. He heard that Prophet Elisha could heal him from his leprosy. He came to Elisha's house. Elisha sent a messenger unto him, saying, Go and wash in Jordan 7 times, and thy flesh shall come again to thee, and thou shalt be clean. Naaman went down to the Jordan River and dipped himself 7 times as Prophet Elisha had instructed him, and his skin became as healthy as the skin of a young child. 2 Kings chapter 5 verses 1 through 14. Applying water externally to the skin can provide benefits like moisturizing, cleansing, cooling the skin, reducing inflammation, promoting wound healing, and helping to remove dirt and impurities, ultimately contributing to a healthier and more radiant appearance. According to Hippocrates, illness does not come upon us out of the blue. They are developed from small daily sins against nature. When enough sins have accumulated, illness will suddenly appear. Dr. Robinson says, all healing power is inherent in the living system. Dr. Erasmus states, citizens always want health, but generally subvert their wishes to factors that lead to disease. And Dr. Erasmus is the author of the book Fats That Heal and Fats That Kill. Thanks for joining with me. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.